Welcome to my journey through the picturesque countryside of Normandy, France, where I walked from the historic Mont Saint-Michel to the quaint town of Pontorson and back again, all on foot. It was July 21st, 2024, a day full of surprises and discoveries. My journey began early in the morning as I checked out of my room near Mont Saint-Michel. With my checkout deadline at 11 am, I decided to explore Pontorson, a nearby town connected to Mont Saint-Michel by bus services. Stepping onto the road, I was greeted by vast stretches of agricultural fields, the golden hues of crops, and a neatly sketched bundle of harvested produce. About halfway into my walk, I stumbled upon a hidden gem, the Mont de Madre, a 2-century-old windmill that was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. Where windmills are common, finding one in France was a delightful surprise. These mills, powered by wind, once ground wheat, rice, and even created dyes. Its historical charm added depth to my journey. Continuing along the road, I passed through a small village. I was almost deserted, but the medieval architecture of the building made it feel like I had stepped back in time. The quietness of the place only added to its charm. After about an hour and a half of walking, I reached Pontorson, a city established in 12th century. The first thing that caught my eye was a beautiful graveyard with intricately designed crosses, each telling a silent story of the past. In the heart of the city stood the Notre Dame church, over 500-year old. Its timeless elegance was complemented by the beautifully decorated streets of Pontorson. After exploring Pontorson, I started my journey back to Mont Saint-Michel. The path I took ran alongside Quesnon River, offering breathtaking views of the iconic Mont Saint-Michel from afar. The road was popular among cyclists, but for me, walking allowed me to soak in every detail. The closer I got, the more mesmerizing the view became. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope to see you again from some another part of the world. Goodbye everyone.